Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's essential for anyone entering the world of cryptocurrencies: setting up a Coinbase wallet. Coinbase offers a user-friendly and secure way to store your digital assets. Whether you're new to crypto or just looking for a reliable wallet, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. Let's get started. To begin, go to coinbase.com/wallet. The link is also in the description below, and go to download Coinbase wallet. From here, you can download the iOS, Android, and Chrome versions of the Coinbase wallet. Alternatively, you can go to the App Store on your smartphone and search for Coinbase wallet. Download and install the app. Each version of the app provides the same features for all users. For the purposes of this tutorial, we will be using the iOS app. The next step is to open the Coinbase wallet app and go to create a new wallet. Coinbase will automatically generate a new wallet on your behalf. Your Coinbase wallet is a place where you can send and receive hundreds of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. After your wallet is created, you will need to create and copy your seed recovery phrase into a secure location. You can also write down your seed wallet phrase and store it somewhere safe for added security. You will need it in case you get logged out of the wallet app or need to access your wallet for any reason whatsoever without having the password. Coinbase will ask you to confirm the first and 12th words of your seed recovery phrase. After you have completed this task, your Coinbase wallet will be ready to use for the storage and safekeeping of your cryptocurrencies. The next step is to link your Coinbase account with the Coinbase wallet so that you can securely send and receive your cryptocurrencies in one place. After you have completed linking your Coinbase account, you will be able to purchase Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies from the Coinbase wallet app. You also have access to a Web 3.0 browser where you can access the internet and interact with various decentralized apps. Coinbase provides various security features like two-factor authentication and biometric locks. Enable these features to enhance the safety of your wallet. I recommend both enabling two-factor authentication and setting a strong and secure password. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your Coinbase wallet. We hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful in getting you started in the world of crypto. For more informative content on cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and wallet management, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.